Akshita, apologies. I'm going to quickly cut across to Nagarjun there joining us. He's speaking to a lawyer on the same. Let's cut across.
The court has held fundamentally that it's not an essential religious practice at all. So the question of public order.
Students are likely to move the Supreme Court. Now, how is the government prepared? Are you also preparing to contest that in the Supreme Court if it's appealed?
Most certainly. We have raised substantial contentions before the High Court. Yes. If and when the matter is moved before the Supreme Court, we shall answer this.
Any likely to move a caveat or anything in Supreme Court?
We'll have to decide in consultation with the government what is to be done. Thank you.
But you're happy with the verdict today, sir, because it was the longest of the longest hearings that...
Because apart whether it is for the state or against the state, it settles an important question of law raised and also the unseemingly avoidable controversy. I'll say that. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, there you have it. The lawyer there saying that he hails the Karnataka High Court's verdict. It really settles all that confusion and discussion. Let me quickly cut across to Akshita there, giving us details on what the kind of political reactions coming in. Akshita, you were saying Mehbooba Mufti now slamming the Karnataka High Court's verdict, calling this absolutely disappointing. She's been constantly rallying behind those girls wanting for hijab inside classrooms. How do you see the situation unfold politically?
The reactions that are coming in from the likes of Mehbooba Mufti from the Congress is no doubt going to be following the same script here, Nabila. The BJP, of course, is coming out to say that this is exactly what we were talking about, that we must follow uniformity. The focus must be on education, as you also heard from the Karnataka Chief Minister a few moments ago. We've also accessed the transcript of the oral order that was dictated in the Karnataka High Court. So we're going to be putting that out for you briefly as well.
Akshita, apologies. I'm going to quickly cut across to Pramod, who's joining us from Shimoga. He's speaking to Ishwarappa, the man who's been constantly speaking on the hijab issue. Let's cut across Ishwarappa in Shimoga.